was a program na ebi agudem ho na dia ka na de to so e wa ha. Enuano mi san na wa ba ko every Food and Drugs Authority. Ana mi nu de me no mo na ebo. You see, according to the definition of Food and Drugs Authority, we are celebrities. Ma men sha sin free mensa benkum so. Minia Master Richard, Mickey or Cybercon, or both radio, television, and Banku personality because of Bankupa. Oh, Fia Mickey, Bemuakava. I have Branty or as a James and I reggae when Jamuda. No, that's it. There's also me new Bami Valentina, the son of Freno. A few was nigger, or not trying to short, but I'm friend of few was a nigger. A few answer, Fiasia. One also. Per the definition of Food and Drugs Authority, where a celebrity and if you are, I won't be defining who is a Matthias, and if you can't your just. And a Food and Drugs Authority, you can with any James Latte, and so by Cranny Pamboa, what's in crying or Sakan crying to Cranny. But inform me and Sunny, you didn't come on. I was a phone come on, you didn't eat Yawa. Nansemo, I say Food and Drugs Authority for Eddie Assembly, but to just say, we a celebrity, we nye advert ya, a far alcohol, and I won't need to be a day tonsa. And you're saying you're from no much why any celebrity. Then run a fair naba and I buy yache, and then a future catastrophe to me. Yaweni, I feel the Bayajuma. No one thing is teach and come on, ye d, Bomodia, never for 1441. Now, mankind will be a 100. Mamma shall free Mr. Latiso. Mr. Lati,
yes,
that's some more cover you.
Thank you.
A pombo cordia. Upon me. I will see them sumo. You. Sam run ye can want some. I feel now banana or order that. Nothing much you can.
Okay, thank you very much. In actual fact, no, samurai is something that's been there for a long time. Yes. Over, I'll say over 6 years. It's been there. Oh, we'll call
yes.
When you go into the Food and Drugs Law, Section 100 tells you that nobody has the right, say, obey, advertise any food products. And when it's food, it includes alcohol. Okay. Unless the Food and Drugs Authority has given approval to the adverts. Now, before that section, there is, I think, Section 98 that says that the Food and Drugs Authority shall come out with guidelines and regulations to implement the act that is in the law. Now, when you talk about guideline coming out from a mother act, so if like the act gives you the right to come out with a guideline, that guideline becomes a legal instrument. Unless say the law specifies clear, say that guideline must be given approval by Parliament. Because like we show alone, must see FDA shall charge fees. But see some fees as approved by Parliament. Okay. When it's silent on it, it gives the authority that right to come up with guidelines to implement the act. What you here? Now, coming to the guideline says that is Section 333 of the guideline. I can say celebrities should not be in alcohol adverts. That is promote alcohol advertisement. Celebrities. Yes. Okay. Or say in natural use the word well-known personalities. When you see celebrities, you see well-known personalities.
Well-known personalities.
Yeah.
Not so well-known. Why need defining who is a celebrity, who is a well-known person?
You see, when you talk about a well-known person, you are talking about someone who arouses a certain section of society, that the interest, who arises the interest of a certain group of society. So they are here. For instance, if you say, or bet to me a celebrity. You may film.
James, I know what you brought from Sukakrama.
You might come up. I'm going to say, Obibe to me, let's say, a celebrity to some people, only a celebrity to some other people. Let me explain it. Me, for instance, there are some group of people they don't appeal to me. People talk about it, I don't even know them. Though they are not my people, minimum, they don't appeal to me in any way. So whatever they do will not affect me.
Okay.
So to me, they are not celebrities to me.
Okay.
But they are celebrities to other groups of people. Also for say, a popular pastor can be a celebrity. but it's a celebrity to a group of people, not to everybody. What you say? So a celebrity is not obia anymore. No. I mean, there are people like if you are like if you say, oh, if you are is known in some sectors. Basically, if you are there, some may not know it.
Oh, Ghana and China.
Oh, they don't worry.
Ghana.
What you say? Until you see,
who trust can you show baby now? No, besides a Schwarzenegger.
Baby, no shame.
Yes.
Until what? That is the definition. We won't talk about a well-known person. That's how we define
FDA. Say, obi ultimate influence society.
No, that's the general definition. We can Google anyway. That's what they understand you are.
Now, celebrity be to me the more say, or no, dear, on who knows a celebrity, or yes, celebrity. So therefore, Sam Rano and Muntiano. That would be very interesting. Now, Mammy has been baby. When you go into law itself, law no can be say, like, you see the man on the street, how the man on the street will define this. The law accepts it. How the man on the street. Boom. Or see the man on the street, it talks about the perception of people. The way Uncle Hunyama. Good. And you don't tell yourself I'm a celebrity, I'm not a celebrity. You don't do that. Let's get that clear. You don't do that. It's people. No, Biba. In Kofo na as a celebrity. People see you. You don't go and say, hey, I'm a celebrity. I'm a celebrity. In Kofo na home. Nti Sam Kofo na FDA ayo modwuma ma wo. Say indeed we are celebrity. Mami ko Mickey.
Yes, boss.
We are celebrity.
By the definition of the word, I'm a celebrity. I think so. I believe so too. But I don't just say Rabbi see who can say meeting certain activities of my life more. The kind. Me dey say waka say a guideline. First time I dream say a law no ankasa. But as we get that food and drugs boards for so ni say we say obia be TV advert on any food or drink without their permission. That is the law.
And which camera?
So they say. Yeah. And o ma kwatena no ma hu say samra no be adwuma dia sabita fracha omunyansa chom say e ban celebrities from advertising alcoholic drinks. And no friend guideline. So they say. But I think say samra no mpe say omo enforce say ma yen obia nye advert of food or drinks or TV so and now radio so without their permission. I think say a very
we say infantile for quite childish, excuse my words. For say Becca say one of the ways one of the ways one in your son is saying one of the ways are if a manager is any say don't let us be hypocrites. So they say ubianumsa. But at least how about you share meetings, ministerial meetings, presidential meetings, champagne, wine, what are they doing about that?
They are sharing communion.
I think that they should find better ways to implement such laws than rather try to frustrate people. Why the shishas amrano?
Most of you and some of you are appealing to Nkwara. In fact, some of the children are looking up to you. Some of your role models.
Nkwara feel hono fridge in Musani bishim. The papa is the best role model.
The first role model.
Are they going to go to the homes and get them
and ban their parents
from drinking? You understand? Me kase akola no kono musa. Okay. What I am saying is that this is my preference. So this is your preference. And of course there are laws. That says only 18 and above. You don't have to drink.
That settles it.
That settles it. When I say more enforcement say answer no be back to ID card. I bet you say I'm 18 and above. And of course, we educate that you don't drink irresponsibly. Until what are they talking about? Instead of using these celebrities rather to tell the people, say, you don't have to drink irresponsibly, you are rather asking them, say, you have to stay away from drinking, advertising drinks. Me advertising say every morning, sorry, but me person me say, this is my preference. Into myself now drink say my intentions are right. When I was say that's what I say. When you call Asimbia, until me the can I think say very infantile. Like you say.
My man set a record way straight to a TV so no be to say. But then you are role model forms. And I know where we are role models and demand where we are role models and men dano. Men guys my printing forms are good baby say and conform forms and family role model and Timami Juma one. Maybe problem of food and drugs board the say. Me, I go out, I drink. The Bible is not against alcohol. Food and drugs board must separate the laws and morals. Maybe I talk to myself. Ghana ha ye ka emra ene moral I can't keep saying. Subai. Yes, so yeah, the Marani is Sunni, yes, ya carbon with intertwined morals, religion, and laws. Maybe I say alcohol is illegal in Ghana. So why can't I advertise it? Akwalana woka se wano from role model no papa ntwa. And I suddenly me amenum ti akwalana be no nsa anopa. Ah? Wudi me ama me ye? Ah? Ye tu me tonga nti akwalana so ni role model ni me obekwa na yetwi nana. A plus or a percentage condom advert. And no so nkwala bekwa koto bi asa na. My question is, we sell Heineken in Ghana. Heineken Beckham and a year ambassador. Ciroc, Pop Daddy and a year ambassador. Have they banned it? Ah? Angelina Jolie or a Casamigos tequila. Yet on honeysuckle. Yabaniana. What is this? And Tiambran all says yes. And Tiafina President Mahama Food and Drugs Board for me could celebrate this. If this is the case, we will channel our energy positively. If this is because where
positively means what?
Positively means we will tell the people to push away the government who are taking food from our mouth. If I'm not using my fame to make money, I'll use my fame to educate the world. What is this? Who is a celebrity? Or be a career model. And to our model special eyes in Mienua. Because so much TV soon I watch you famous. And to person just every month to be a company and necessary or advert now.
Exactly.
Do you know the cost of production?
Exactly.
Ah?
Maminko, Latin, did you take into consideration Sanima Wina, this Nema artists never can, celebrities never can, some of this? Did you factor in before coming out?
No, Mammy, explaining the name out. One, we understand the cost in production of adverts very well because we have experts in the office. There they say, if for instance you want to apply to advertise a product, we tell you right from the beginning, say, ma, munkoye production and kasamba, just bring a script. Already you have been given a guideline. The guideline has told you in Kofor permitted or not permitted. No. And the point is this: right from the beginning, you breed a script. Your own script, we approve the script if it's okay. If that doesn't flout any portion of the law, they give you an approval. And now go and bring the electronic version. Before you go and do the electronic version, you are aware that per the guideline, who should be in it, who you can use, who you cannot use. So the point is that what the prayer, no one can work against what the guideline says. You have created a problem for your own self, and yet I are creating. I want to establish that. Now, if you are raising an issue.
Me, I want to. Okay.
If you are raising an issue of where you say you are used as a model in an advert, then they have to remove you, use somebody else. Oh, every advertisement expires after 1 year. That is the rule we are using. Every advertisement expires after 1 year.
Every catchy advertisement in 3 months, the model in it should be a superstar.
No,
Can I just
the 1 year?
one of it is not there.
I wish you let me finish. I wish you let me finish. You see, Tribuna, you are listening very well. Now, if we approve the advertisement to you, you approve Yamao, you have 1 year to advertise. We don't have any legal rights now. Once you have come into it, I am our approval. Letter, that is for 1 year. We can't let you stop it. After 1 year, we have the right if you realize that you have become a celebrity, and you can affect that group of people.
Food and drugs.
We are commercial. We are also two activities. So. I
think
it's too much popular.
No, you see,
we are confused. I think that Food and Drugs Board is confused.
No, we are not confused.
As far as this
we are not. We are not.
I think we are confused. How proficient are they? Let me ask a question. What is the percentage?
No, Maza, let me ask you a question.
All right.
FDA regulates 5 products: medicines, food, cosmetics, medical devices, household chemical. 5. Out of these 5, when you pick food, which alcohol falls under? Food is a wide range of products. Only alcohol is where we have the. Why are we not talking about other products when it comes to models? And this Nyan can say, don't do drugs, don't do it. No, wait, I'm coming. I want to establish something. Why are we picking only alcohol and not saying that, Mickey, don't do for food? If you don't do for drugs, why are you not doing that? We have a responsibility, as the law says, to protect public health and safety. And look, we know reports that we've had. Let me finish. Aside that, this thing that we are implementing is not a thing only in Ghana. I wish you call Advertisers Association of Ghana. They will tell you that this a practice that has been agreed. It has been agreed. Say internationally, models should not be in alcoholic advert promotions.
Since when?
Is it models or celebrities?
Models.
No, I'm talking about, we have thinking about well-known people. Let me use that word, and that saves me. Well-known people. You understand? So whoever you classify, I don't care.
Who well knows those people? Is it society, individuals, and some selected group of people?
When we pick the aspect of children under 18, we understand this. Look, Obi Woho, or you're well known. The person does not appeal in any way to children. It's a well-known person.
How do you measure that?
Oh, please, I don't want to mention it.
I think, sir, you've given me so much
You
time
said so
to tell us about a law that is irrelevant.
Just give me 1 minute
Just 1 minute. You understand? So the point is that if, like, you bring the advert to us, and the person in the advert is not to be over to my influencing children, which you can easily tell. I mean, let's not be hypocritical about this. In Kofobi Woha, omuye advert ene, ochina ukosumwa, that's the slogan. Because children follow the best. It's so clear.
But there's this. There's school of thought that believes latte.
Did anybody stop
latte
from sanitary?
No, latte.
Did anybody stop
influencing children?
No, latte, please.
You don't know what I'm saying.
Sorry.
Mickey was making a statement to the effect said, "You fear him. In fact, the first role model, your mama no papa.
Agreed.
Have you taken the trouble to consider that, sir?
They are the first celebrities to the children.
You know, when you have a law that you free, the law gives you the scope of people you can control. My mom culture was saying, "Eba like a training yama, FDA regulates. Yanko fiemu say ko share a training wofi. We don't do that. Once it's commercialized, we have the right to check it."
But I didn't task our ban actually say.
No, I want to establish a point. Share our children upbringing. It's not a responsibility of one person. It's a collective responsibility.
Must start from home.
No, let me establish this. When a group of people can influence,
it's gotten so much time.
I mean, it's collective.
More the time too much.
In the house, the other was to.
Yes, I think, sir. It looks to me, say, Omejuma so ati, until they have time to consider irrelevant issue.
Mickey, that's very unfair statement.
That is what I'm thinking. Because I feel
it's an unfair statement.
Oh, I'm sorry if it is,
but
I think that there are more things. There are more things.
Do you know what we do?
We feed ourselves.
If you protect you.
Out of my mouth is not fair.
Do you know how we protect you?
There are more things for the FDA to do.
Better things.
Including this.
Please, I didn't say.
Including this.
Lati, your more time.
Okay, sir.
So when I didn't run by it, when I check him,
let him talk.
So we more time check him. Let your most come with the name for come on. So,
and so a normal biblioha say FDA. Me bisa say, what is the level of proficiency at those things are omo yellow? Omo achievement in the saying. Was no manner. Oma cut it down completely. Fake drugs in the system, Debbie. Oma making sure say Oma tunto near the car parks. Oma tunto no near the Oma consider veracity of their drugs. And Oma shesa no mano. Oma making sure say nrebu shelves na papa. Oma making sure say nnuane a yeton yekro mu na no. And no more about expiry dates near their dinner. Oma canned foods near their expired no. Oma making sure say sa no man nyina free ho ana. That is the question I want to ask. Okay. And now, I feel law nankasa a promulgate say any say more advertising before say more permission our Food and Drugs Board on. We be say what is the percentage level of advertising what TV so Ghana had now a more percentage saying and no more permission or more. We should answer that question as well. Why do you shift your attention
to some group of people?
Some group of people say they influence children. What are you talking about? How about the law that says? How about the law that says that you can't drink? How about the law that says untimi nomsa undi 18 year? Sa law no. Then na omo ya fa home to make sure, because don't let us live like ostriches. Say omo who say mikio say be ko a tasty drink or TV so and then kola nomsa. I hope say the next year omo the evaluation beba say due to this measure no you cut it down drunkenness in children to this level. If they are not able to prove that, then what they are doing for me is childish.
If you are going to
celebrity Ben, me the question to man celebrity Ben no who no TV so say wabo no man baby ya no that no run.
Oh please.
No, if you are say we are influencing the children. You will come here and no my milk adverts. Obi to me whisper go akwala sum say can you keep a secret? Don't tell your mommy. That is teaching a child to lie. What is the morals about that? Food and Drugs Board for Saturday no you almost share any for space. Yeah, Syrup Ghana. Can you tell me you don't sell syrup? Syrup is PDD is the brand ambassador of syrup. Go on Google now. He owns it. He models for it. I can call for syrup right now. Yeah, don't syrup. Food and Drugs Board for one na. Tequila snake go on Jerry Angelina Jolie tequila and this boy yan who fefe.
David
Beckham tequila ya etwa go okroimi. Omo yana. Food and Drugs, or they are just suppressing Ghanaians. Maybe who they say Food and Drugs Board, no, they are there to suppress Ghanaian manufacture. That's all. Omo man no ekum etia Ghana fo eye adwuma Ghana ha. Wo yi omo tintonton. Tintonton. Okwa le bua plaster data ukro so tibi tua ama okro dani manho. A prophet 20 me attack cancerous states. Food and Drugs, are they not here? Are they not here?
Yes.
I'm a boy just say ye influencing kola. Na me busa say my sanitary pad advert and kola don't send the to because school.
But they don't use it.
But they use alcohol.
They have to make sure say
they use alcohol.
They have to make sure say teachers say no musa because
the last one I make kai and I said me as a mother I am the first role model of my children. Na se mi twa ofia dey no do you TV so Ghana ya advertising sanopa. Yeah, advertising I think after 6 or after 8. I start to be corrected. Yeah, advertising Saturday time. Yeah, advertising Sunday. I will back be out for you on the TV. And just anybody you could and also any responsibility. And also so they should take food out of my mouth. Because listen, you know when you endorsement exactly. Sorry, sir. You to be near alcoholic beverage endorsement. Now, beverage is lesson. Huh? What do you expect us to do? Say, young tons of my 480 now. Yeah, because they're taking food out of our mouth. And we have family to take care of. We also have children to raise them to be responsible children. You don't just get up because you're dumolite. 1 year, why you're depressed. Now, Bram, wash them. And I still stand by it. Say NDC government, that's what Mama May said, yeah, we will fight them out. Because
why fighting means what? What do you intend doing?
We will tell people what they are doing to us.
FDA guideline.
FDA guideline.
Obviously a guideline.
FDA guideline. So, it's guideline alone.
It's not a law. That's a guideline.
Who told you?
You are making it a law.
You are making it a law.
That's a poor guideline you are trying to make a law.
Let me
we take it to the parliament.
This is a poor guideline you are trying to make a law. It's a poor guideline. You understand?
Let it come in.
I asked him a question, sir. Obitra advert. You know, so Obiba TV, so in 2 months, 3 months, the person is now a celebrity. Advert is being aired 6-8 times in a day on TV. And Tuba TV so 8 times, 10 times in a day. Bra, in 1 month, 2 months. Why a popular? But you're trying to do 1 year.
1 year. No, what kind of thinking is
that? You see, my NTS say, I'm noticing a trend. That the trend has to do with, like, what comes as in revenue.
No.
Latin,
but hold on. Me pa man so na makofa Dr. Poku Oduse, we senior law lecturer, University of Ghana. Na onu nso wa che the legal aspect of nkomo ayedien. Doc, what you can watch by UTV so? You doc na pom ti sen. Me adom ni ho ye pa. Ke de na me ase. Anope de ye, e bo hwi aba afie na ye bedi nchechemu kakra wo emra bi aba Food and Drugs Authority for edi ayedwuma. Say will be a celebrity want to me any advert a ton sa and you busa say mremuno na yetieti celebrities no fa ho die so ana
you only say o she airflow no mu a niema ye no mu ekoyi mu no ya na e bi fo no omu wo mu dwumadie na law na mu so no e procedure say one to one tell to me appeal to board be or internally and sana omotie sa asem na iwe e ade a am say e koso say obi e popular with me advertise alcoholic drink and as a beverage be you for no e say omo pere ma wonje but say obi a want no asem it me ko page chemu e wo maybe I just anche chemu no say be eventually be court inti zalu na there say maybe the be a me FG for no money ade and so eventually final you need just court ni be bua it e o sha say emra o ho ne say an you authority be and as administrative body be e no adane say o na ebua asemi nyina dia just say how the crowd because you say omo NTA ngofo no omo other side nyina no ansa na omo dey say tabono to omo so esa na say omo na ye policy makers no na fe matter law enforcement agents omo they prevent people from practicing to be a career be an profession way the constitution no so say obi so practicing a career the person has the right to do it unless somebody establishes say that practice no needy manage misleading and correct ama almost ako into alcoholic man alcoholism no so dia na dey almost decision no na intimi enya po abi enya so
say lawyer say o kan say ni pekunu bi o celebrity a oboko so aye wadwuma ana say oboko test law no wo court say ni aka na so wo so mra na hwe
manti honi o
say celebrities no ebeko so aye omodwuma ana obetwentwa asensen kakra na wo test law no wo court
as a mini individual and I decide to not to so any court in the back of Amaya Copesa. Now, say, me yet more edgy or dear, may you advise and remove the film. I if you should move papa and sana, only the tabonato propose. Nipa bi on ma omo advertise alcoholic beverages. Those people are not known to be appealing to children, and so they are known for adult content. In that case, not just say, okay, or yes, a popular or appealing to children, who allow money to me and advertise say in India. Not just say you are going overboard. He said, in Bacono, into adult programs. And some of the comedian be on all kinds of markets here. And the Sano would me advertise alcoholic beverages. The main a career path for children or no will reach out to them, and that's not the main indeed. They are not preventing him from advertising a year, and that becomes problematic.
Let's say Nina Kwakujina, who a celebrity is. Nina Kujina, some wine and a year celebrity.
Or mine.
We just say, Nassani Nina Kujina say, as soon as in the Cassia Park, which I say, wine and a year celebrity.
Oh, one is celebrity to Padino, no one as a Nina, name we are celebrity. Then you appeal to children necessarily. Go on now a celebrity because you may be out here to the Nina and for our programs and promotion of children's rights. Or no, different from your celebrity. Or not, they are very serious and adult content programs in one way. That kind of person to establish or appeal to children, the OTB and advertising alcoholic beverages. That will be stretching the position of the FDA too much.
Yo, no, I don't pay the Yabada Sini in church. When say, if you are mom with nobody will cause financial loss to your pocket.
Because me in this case, you see, can be a shatter. And to make me see FDA for them to reform.
Because and yet,
no, was a lawyer, man.
Lawyer, I don't remember Chorty if you're beside. Lawyer and walk until local church in Tennessee, move to me up for court. Pilati.
Yeah.
Lawyers so legal redress.
We don't have a problem.
yes.
Sure. Trust me.
I said yes to
Any problem.
Yes, because
We are in a democratic state.
Fundamental.
Because when we go to court,
when you market and kitty was someone to know what coming, no be a war, but tennis idea. I don't know because fundamental.
Mami Bisa, Master Richie say, our Ghana, on which my FDA about these things now. You see, the fact. Oh, maybe one here. The fact say.
Still, Papa, you're doing it back. Biko, para,
Catch your mommy say, Mount
Adomada so. Oh, doctor, crying, a doctor by it. Me that.
What I was saying was that, I did not quite say we are tackling an issue now. Things about fake products on the market. Let me give you a very good way. About just 5 years ago, survey on malaria tablets on the market, malaria medicines on the market. You will say we had about 39% of malaria medicines that were substandard, fake, substandard, lower than the expected way. Last year, a survey that we did with US FDA and US Pharmacopoeia. Only 3% was found on the market. If Obika said FDA is not working internationally, people know the job we are doing. They invite people from our institution outside to work. Oh yes, I'm telling you. I mean, you may not see it, so I say, but others are saying it.
We have to see it.
Others are saying. I was in a couple of stations. They were calling, and look, the public is supporting what we are doing.
Oh really?
I know what I'm talking about. AAG called yesterday. They said we have kept too long in doing this, but their backing is around 1%. You can confirm that for Joy News. I was on it yesterday. You understand? People are supporting what we are doing.
And you are sticking by that guideline.
If individuals,
but that's support and you want to stick by that. Okay, that's it.
Support is not law.
We will be 1 minute.
Yes.
And if you are 1 minute, it's 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute.
Right. I think say the medical can say now lawyers also can say say
yes.
Me obviously you understand yeah celebrities in a take decision because already almost enforce our laws we were manufacturers so don't use them
or we
won't allow you to use them. We are a bit fine. That's what they do to them. They are afraid to use us. Okay, to advertise alcoholic beverages
financial loss
to us. That is what is happening.
So we take them
but
to court.
one problem they say Obi and Kase Omunye, at least every morning when you wear your suit and tie and go and sit at the office, you are there. Two, say the Mokokota, I don't think it's individual pockets. And I'm going to defend them. I buy bit until they don't really have a problem about that. That I can understand. But what I think they say, they should sit down and make an empirical analysis. So say Mikio Sebe Queen and Sadveta. A crime bank soon a driving collar. Other areas into me because I no teacher. The teacher for back or Trabaho. Anum kakra be able to. I didn't know yes law for teachers so say some role models. Into teacher be any of Fabia some they are they have to do that. Otherwise then they are just make-up theories. They are not doing anything empirical, and that's even causing financial loss
to the state.
Because I have to pay my tax. Yes.
Now, prisoners who move then voter rating. That's the police for me. No more.
But this is for now. They don't role models.
Anyway, if you yes,
as the president's girlfriend, I would sit here and tell Food and Drugs Board say, except President Mama is not the president.
If you say any Juma, this is
we are going to court today.
Oh, sir.
Me, I am. Over some no they are wrong. Me say Kana bomb Food and Drugs Board will refund it. And when they pay that money, the president will take whoever made that irrelevant law out of the picture.
I wish Ahana, you didn't see. Make yourself media personnel, a celebrity. Per the definition of Food and Drugs Authority, a celebrity. If you are sure as a a celebrity, and a James Latti, a Kasama Food and Drugs Authority. MDS celebrity. Receive them production team was Yambo channel panso, you bet was so. Yamaka, bye bye.
Where are you? Go Piana. Where are you? Just Santua.